Do you think it is possible for Tesla to become worth $5 trillion? Experts and analysts have always been at odds with their opinions on Tesla's valuation. Some say Tesla is overvalued, while others claim it is actually undervalued. Are you curious as to whether Tesla will be worth $5 trillion? If so, you would not want to miss this. Several years ago, on our earnings call, I said that I thought it was possible for Tesla to be worth more than Apple, which was then the highest cap company in the market, says Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The shorthand way to talk about Tesla is to call it an electric car company, but that's a massive oversimplification. It's a technology company. It's also an iconic revolutionary brand specializing in making the customer and user experience sublimely frictionless. Before we go on, Mumu developed a new function, the industrial chain. Suppose you want to find out the stocks that have the potential to fluctuate in the upcoming days or months. The industrial real chain will help you a lot. It provides a detailed picture of the trending industries such as semiconductors and EVs. You can quickly find stocks either upstream or downstream, which helps you focus on target segments of an industry more quickly. Also, as segments are related to industries, you could predict price fluctuations faster without reading many research reports to determine the relationships within one industry. Link in description. In the recent Q3 earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk discussed a lot of things. At one point, Musk said, "We have our sort of local ups and downs, but the long-term trend has been extremely good." Several years ago, I said on our earnings call that I thought it was possible for Tesla to be worth more than Apple, which was then the highest cap company in the market. At that time, I think it was around $700 billion, and I said it required an incredible execution, at least some luck, and we didn't only achieve that. According to Musk, Tesla has actually surpassed Apple's market cap at the time. The Tesla CEO now believes that the company can far exceed Apple's current market cap. In fact, I see a potential path with Tesla worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, Musk said. However, Musk was quick to explain that the process will not be a walk in the park. That doesn't mean it will happen or that it will be easy. In fact, I think it will be very difficult. It will require a lot of work, some very creative new products, manage expansion, and always luck, he said. Musk also made a reference to Saudi Aramco, a Saudi Arabian public petroleum and natural gas company based in Dhahran. According to Musk, he sees a way for Tesla to be roughly twice the value of Saudi Aramco. "This is the first time I've seen that potential," Musk said. For reference, Apple's market cap is around $2.3 trillion, while Saudi Aramco is around $2 trillion. That means Tesla CEO Elon Musk sees Tesla to be worth around $5 trillion. Halfway through the earnings call, Musk said, "I should mention that when I said that, probably now that I see a path in an extremely very difficult path, incredible execution required, a massive amount of hard work and some luck to get where Tesla is worth as much as Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. I wasn't including Optimus." This implies that if the humanoid robot Optimus performs well, Musk expects Tesla to be worth more. It can be noted that as early as 2018, Musk told CNBC that he believes Tesla will be a trillion-dollar company. I actually see the potential for Tesla to become a trillion-dollar company within a 10-year period. Musk made the prediction to Andrew Ross Sorkin of CNBC and the New York Times. According to the CEO magazine, a monthly business magazine for high-level executives with inspiration and insights to help leaders get ahead and stay ahead, Microsoft and Amazon are projected to hit the $5 trillion mark by 2035, followed by Tesla and Nvidia by 2066. It's predicted that Apple will be worth $19.3 trillion by the time Tesla and Nvidia make it to the $5 trillion club. According to the Future Fund managing partner and co-founder Gary Black, Tesla's market capitalization could reach as high as $4 trillion by 2030. Black says the EV industry will reach 60% market penetration by 2030, and he anticipates Tesla will achieve a whopping 21% of the auto market share. On Twitter, Black wrote, "When EV adoption hits 60%, Tesla with 20% EV share will be viewed as a safe haven like Apple." However, Black is not the only talking head on Wall Street predicting a $4 trillion market capitalization for Tesla. Tesla bull Cathie Wood and her firm ARK Invest share Black's belief and are targeting a $4 trillion market cap from the company's best-case scenario. According to Reuters, Tesla is ARK Invest's largest holding, and Wood has led the firm through a series of impressive predictions ahead of 2020, with Tesla being the champion victory broadening Wood's reach over the past few years. In a recent research note, Wedbush analyst Dan Ives noted Tesla's newly adopted Gigafactory in Germany as an important milestone for the automaker that should lead to another 500,000 vehicles per year. The Berlin factory establishes a major beachhead for Tesla in Europe, with the potential to expand this factory to the production of around 500,000 vehicles annually with Model Y front and center over the coming 12 to 18 months. With the opening of Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg, Tesla can significantly increase production for Europe while lowering the previous cost of importing vehicles to the continent from its Gigafactory in Shanghai. Still, the debate over Tesla's valuation rages on. According to some, Tesla is worth more than virtually every other major carmaker in the world combined. When Tesla attained a $1 trillion market cap in late October 2021, analysts were squarely of two minds about its current level. In the bull camp, Daniel Ives of Wedbush Securities tweeted, "Tesla hitting $1 trillion is just for starters." In the bear camp, Craig Irwin of Roth Capital Partners wrote in a client note that Tesla's stock was egregiously overvalued. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is confident that Tesla has what it takes to be a trillion-dollar company. Arguably, Tesla indeed has a lot of innovative projects and products, which make the company not just a car company, although, of course, Tesla's main products are cars. The EV company's venture into solar and AI opens more doors for possibilities. In the recent Q3 earnings call, Musk talked about several important points about the company and its progress. Musk even talked about a Tesla stock buyback, which Tesla investors have been constantly on his case about. Musk said that the Tesla board of directors has been discussing the merits of recent demands for a buyback and believes the company could easily shoulder one irrespective of the business environment. "It is certainly possible for us to do a buyback on the order of $5 to $10 billion, even in a downside scenario for next year. Even if next year is a very difficult year, it's likely that we do some meaningful buyback," Musk said. Musk also claimed that he would personally be on hand to deliver the first semi-commercial trucks to PepsiCo on the first day of December. At long last, and after a gradual year-long ramp, he is tentatively aiming to manufacture 50,000 units come 2024 alone for North America. And while Musk admitted difficulties getting his 4680 cells to meet his expectations last quarter, the volume has now tripled quarter over quarter, and the focus is shifting toward optimizing cost. "In a nutshell, 4680 ramp is growing exponentially," he said. Musk also talked about the much-awaited Tesla Cybertruck. It was shared during the call that the company is in the final lap of preparations, with tooling beginning in Giga, Texas. "We're still on track to enter early production middle of next year," says Lars Moravi, head of engineering during the call. Now that the development work on the Semi and Cybertruck is complete, attention is shifting to a lower-priced entry model purported in the media to be the first low-cost robotaxi that entirely lacks a steering wheel or pedals. Musk said that the goal was to have the cost versus the larger Model 3/Me platform, and he anticipates production will swiftly exceed that of all Tesla's other cars combined. Musk said the company is heading toward a $4.5 trillion market gap, even without factoring in the robot he expects will revolutionize his business. Many believe that the Tesla CEO may have just unveiled the core thinking of his master plan, well timed to help him finance his Twitter purchase. Many believe that Tesla actually has the capability to flourish more in the future, especially since Tesla remains the leading EV company. According to experts, Tesla is winning the electric car race because of its high-powered battery tech and because they take more risks. The biggest problem faced by the electric car market is range, and Tesla's battery technology gives more to its owners with extended ranges of up to 375 miles. Although Tesla is primarily known for making electric cars mainstream, it doesn't stop there. It has other innovations linked to vehicle and battery technologies. Tesla is